anytime you can make something cool but not remarkable, even if it's gimmicky. I think that's the thing. Like, I think so many times we have unremarkable products and then we settle. The ad agency didn't promote the modular builder. They promoted a font designed out of sofas. That's remarkable. My point being is a lot of times we as marketers and advertisers have non-remarkable products or services that we try to make remarkable via the products or services instead of kind of creating, let's say, a bridge between the product and service to the remarkability of it. And that's what this is. The font is what makes it remarkable, not this. We're all watching this. This is not remarkable. The font is. And I think sometimes if, like for Directive, it inspires me, professional services, demand gen, customer gen, pipeline for software companies isn't really remarkable. So if you just say, we lower cost per SQL for your company, you're not going to get 84 million impressions and 13,000 shares. But if you created a font that was built out of a funnel, I'm just completely spitballing here, then all of a sudden,
I get the point.
It would get reshares.
Yeah.
So I think sometimes we need to layer on remarkability to things that are cool, but maybe not quite magical.
Yeah. And I mean, they did this through, I think, mostly display ads.
It would work in anything.
Which is probably the most challenging placement in terms of like ad fatigue.
Yeah, but if it's creative like this, it's creative like this. Some things are just so good that it works no matter where
I think they like really did well for just even that placement in general.
The distribution, yeah.
Yeah, because that's a tough placement to get that type of engagement and people to actually experience it.
I think it was social, though. 13,000 shares makes me think it had to have been on social, too.
Yeah.
But it's a crazy ad. They crushed it. And it inspires me to wonder how I can layer something on top of my customers' products or services to make them get to that moment of remarkability.